Hey guys, this is welcome to Prerna Vlog. This is third day in the camping. No shower, no nothing. And look at her face right now. Look here.
What?
Look here right now. Face, hair, everything.
Hey guys, this is day third in Glacier National Park. We are heading to, what is that place name again? The correct pronunciation for it?
Sai.
So we used to call it Siyeh, but then we found out that it's a Siyeh Pass.
It's called Sai Trail. It's
Siyeh Pass or Siyeh Trail?
Siyeh Pass or Siyeh Trail, whatever. It's a point-to-point hike, 9 miles hike. It's gonna be a long day, 5 to 6 hours probably. And after that, our muscles gonna be sore, and we are planning to come home and then sleep. Dhanyawad.
This is around 9 a.m. in the morning and we are starting our hiking at Siyeh Pass Trailhead in Glacier National Park. The trail begins near Siyeh Bend on the Going to the Sun Road and it shares the same trailhead as the Siyeh Pass Trail. Every one of us here is so excited to hike today. We are not the professional hikers and this is our first longest hike here in United States. We will try our best to complete this hike today. Look at this beautiful river. This is called Siyeh Creek. It's originated from the melting snow and glaciers high up in the mountains. We are walking through the woods, looking at the tall trees with green leaves, breathing fresh air, listening to the birds singing, and it feels like the forest is alive with nature's sound. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, please do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you wanna watch part 1 and part 2 of Glacier National Park, please feel free to do so by clicking the link down in the comment. How are you doing? Good. Okay. Good. We can do this. You're going to. Hello guys, we started our hike at 9:15 a.m. and right now it's 10:45. So we walked pretty much how many steps?
Around 2 miles, I think.
Maybe around like 2 to 3 miles. Not sure. We don't have any network here, so we cannot even check anything right now. We don't know where are we. We are just
there.
We're just walking and we can see like beautiful mountain, pine trees and mountains too. Where is mountains? Okay guys, it's so hard to show you, but there is. I can say it right now. Okay. You have to trust me, Nita. Okay. Look at these beautiful flowers. Such a delightful display of colorful wildflowers, adding a touch of beauty and charm to the landscape. How are you doing? We're almost there. As we climb the trail, the difficulty level increases. We encountered rocky sections, uneven surfaces, and some steeper paths, which require us to do careful footing and balance. Thankfully, we're lucky that weather is perfect, not too windy today. As we climbed higher, we felt a little bit out of breath. We were tired and hungry, so we decided to take a break, get quick snack and drink. After hiking for another like 30 minutes to 1 hour, we finally reached at the elevation of Siyeh Pass, which is approximately 2,388 meters above sea level. We cannot believe that we finally made it through the Siyeh Pass. The view here is incredibly beautiful. We see tall and proud mountains with some snow on top. The cloud in the sky is moving so gracefully, and the blue sky seems endless. Okay guys, we are on the Siyeh Pass Trail, at the top of the Siyeh Pass Trail. What's the elevation of this place, Mr. Rajan?
2000 something.
2000 something.
2800, 2004.
Okay, we're halfway through. Now we're gonna head downward from the different route. Here we are gonna eat peanut butter jelly sandwich. Hey guys, we're eating this rampong. These noodles, dry noodles from Nepal. Now we are going downhill from Siyeh Pass to Sunrift Gorge to going to the Sun Road. The distance from Siyeh Pass to Sunrift Gorge is about 5.5 miles. As we are hiking downhill, we can see these huge glacier patches covering mountains. It looks beautiful when it's sparkling in the sunlight. We had to walk through these smaller patches of glaciers. It was really slippery and we almost slipped. Seeing this glacier up close was a surreal experience. It was like stepping into another world where time stood still and nature's frozen beauty took center stage. Nature is so beautiful. As we kept walking and got to Sunrift Gorge, we were amazed by all the beautiful things we saw. The river was a pretty blue color and it flowed through a deep valley, making the place feel like a magical story. We couldn't believe how wonderful everything was. It was like a dream come true. We hiked about 10 miles and returned to our campsite feeling tired but happy. The journey was amazing as we explored the beautiful nature of Glacier National Park. We saw stunning views at Siyeh Pass and were fascinated by Sunrift Gorge. The meadows, forest, and glaciers were all incredible and we will never forget the experience. Though it was challenging, we felt proud and grateful to be there. Sitting around the campfire, we laughed and enjoyed each other's company. And then we fell asleep with smiles on our faces, cherishing the memories we made that day. It's July 3rd, guys. It's raining, like about to rain now, and we are cooking here outside. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out.